Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about KCET counseling process 2023. KCET counseling candidate have to make the choice of the institutes and courses. Before filling the choice, candidate can refer to the list of KCET 2023 participating institutes to know college's name. The allotment of the seat will be done on the basis of the choice filled and the rank secured by the candidates. Candidates will be able to check the KCET seat allotment result at the official website. First, you need to make the document verification and registration. Every candidate with a valid KCET 2023 rank needs to appear in the nearest helpline as per the schedule. Counseling registration will be confirmed based on KCET 2023 admission ticket that can be downloaded from the official website. Verification slip issued to eligible candidate will include details such as document verified, caste category and merit rank to which disciple he or she is eligible. Candidates must verify the details mentioned on the verification slips before leaving the helpline center. Candidate must present their original documents along with the 2 photocopies each at the time of counseling registration and document verification. Documents will be verified to the ones uploaded during KCET 2023 registration. After that, candidate need to make a choice filling and locking 2023. Candidates who successfully complete KCET document verification will be able to required to log in using their unique identity and password. Candidate can then fill the college and course according to their choice and the marks obtained by them in KCET 2023. Candidate would also be able to check the seat matrix at the time of KCET choice filling. After commencement of KCET counseling, candidate will also be given an option to modify option selected by them. Then candidate need to make a seat allotment 2023. After completion of document verification and choice filling, KCET seat allotment will be released based on the scores obtained by the candidate. KCET reservation and preference of the candidate. Candidate who are allotted seats in KCET 2023 counseling would then be required to confirm their seats by paying fee and downloading allotment order or admission order. Candidate can then report to their allotted institute as per the schedule. After that, candidate need to report to the allotted institute. Candidates who are allowed seats through KCET 2023 seat allotment need to report at their allotted institute with their allotment letters or admission orders. To confirm their admission, candidate will need to report with their documents and allotment letter and pay the required tuition fees. Let's check the KCET option entry procedure 2023. You need to visit the official website, which is cetonline.karnataka.gov.in. Click on the KCET 2023 option entry link. Then enter the CET number and security pin. Click on the submit button. Then create a password of your choice. KCET options will be displayed on the screen. Select the preferred choices of colleges and courses. Submit the choices and take a printout for future reference. Let's check what are the list of requirement for KCET 2023 counseling. KCET 2023 application form printout, proof of application fee payment, KCET 2023 admit card, scorecard of 10th standard, scorecard of 12th standard, 2 recent passport size photograph, study certificate, Kannada medium certificate, income certificate, rural study certificate, caste income certificate, parent study certificate, hometown certificate, domicile certificate, employment certificate, cumulative record, marks card, etc. for the candidate claiming eligibility for government seats based on the parent's domicile, study or employment. Duly sworn in affidavit of the candidate who claims eligibility under Horanadu and Gadiyanadu and Kannadiga clauses C and D regarding mother tongue. Let's check the KCET eligibility criteria 2023. The candidate must be a citizen of India. The candidate must be a resident of Karnataka and should be completed their 10th or 12th from any recognized institution in the state of Karnataka. The candidate should have passed 12th or an equivalent examination with physics and mathematics as compulsory subjects along with the chemistry or biotechnology, biology or electronics or computer science. Optional subjects with English as one of the languages of study obtained a minimum of 45% marks in aggregate in the optional subjects. For SC or ST and category candidate, the minimum aggregate marks required is 40%. The candidate should have passed NATA conducted by the Council of Architecture, New Delhi or JEE Main Paper 2 or KCET 2023 in order to be eligible for admission to engineering or architecture courses. The candidate should have qualified in NEET UG 2023 conducted by the National Testing Agency to be eligible for admission to medical, dental, Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani courses. Let's check the RV College of Engineering, Bangalore KCET cutoff 2022. The CSC cutoff for journal category was 158, whereas Hyderabad, Karnataka journal merit cutoff was 370. ECE cutoff for journal category was 776, whereas Hyderabad, Karnataka journal merit cutoff was 1602. Civil cutoff for journal category was 20,624, whereas Hyderabad, Karnataka journal merit cutoff was 23,940. Let's check the MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, Bangalore KCET cutoff 2022. For MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, Bangalore CSE cutoff for journal category was 827, whereas Hyderabad, Karnataka journal merit cutoff was 1604. CSC Cyber Security cutoff for journal category was 1840, whereas Hyderabad, Karnataka journal merit cutoff was 2450. CSC AI Machine Learning cutoff for journal category was 1223, whereas Hyderabad, Karnataka journal merit cutoff was 2097. For Sidangara Institute of Technology, Tumkur CSC cutoff for journal category was 5050, whereas Hyderabad, Karnataka journal merit cutoff was 5819. Civil cutoff for journal category was 56,247, whereas Hyderabad, Karnataka journal merit cutoff was 57,846. Electrical cutoff for journal category was 20,592, whereas Hyderabad, Karnataka journal merit cutoff was 26,580. Let's check the KCET Architecture cutoff 2022. In BMSCA campus, Bangalore cutoff was 66. In RVCA Chikegodaunapalli, Bangalore cutoff was 106. In MSRIT 80 NMS, Bangalore cutoff was 152. In PESIT 80 NMS, Bangalore cutoff was 201. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.